Hi Daniela, Happy Valentine's Day. Pangako ko to, kakanta ko sa'yo. Ito yung kakantahin ko, Beautiful in My Eyes. Sensya na, kapela. You're my peace of mind in this crazy world. You're everything I try to find. Your love is a pearl. You're my Mona Lisa. You're my rainbow sky. And my only prayer is that you realize you'll always be beautiful in my eyes. You will always be beautiful in my eyes. And the passing years will show that you will always grow ever more beautiful in my eyes. Happy Valentine's Day. Ilang kaya ko eh. Teka, isang banat. Isang banat lang. May pick up. Feeling ko sira ang gravity ng mundo. Kasi hanggang ngayon, di ka pa na bumabagsak sa akin. Boom! Happy Valentine's Day. Ingat.